In this lesson, we're going to be talking about how to figure out profit margins and using the FBA calculator to identify exactly how much you're going to be making on every single piece that you're selling. Here we are on the main page on Amazon, abs stimulator. As you can see, I know that this is the main keyword because if I search up abs, you have abs roller, you have abs stimulator, you have abs workout equipment, you have the abs trainer. So I know that abs stimulator is the #1 most searched for this specific thing, because all the rest of the keywords were not relevant. So I'll go ahead and look down and I'll see what products we have. And this is the item that we want to sell. What I'm going to be doing is clicking on the Jungle Scout Chrome extension. And then what we'll do, we'll take the average price that is right over here. Okay, $42, we'll write that down somewhere. We'll go to Alibaba and we'll look up Ab Stimulator. Okay, so as you can see, between $10 to $15, it says 3,000 pieces minimum order. That's not true. You're always going to be able to lower the minimum order quantity. We have $12 to $15. We have 15 to 20. We have 3 to 5. Okay, so basically what we're seeing in front of us right now are many people that are selling the exact same item on Alibaba, and we have to figure out who's the real factory and who's trustworthy. We're going to be learning more about this in the next chapter, but for now I see that the average price here is $15. Okay, now why don't I use AliExpress? AliExpress is to buy 20 or 30 pieces. You can even buy only one piece on here, but we're going to be looking at Alibaba because Alibaba is for a commercial amount where you're going to be buying 100 or 200 or 300. And regardless of the amount of money that you have, I'm going to teach how to cope with a tight budget in the next chapter. We're going to have buy from Alibaba because over there you can customize the item. It'll suit your customization needs. By customization, I also mean that the box itself, as you can see over here, you can customize it to whatever photo you want, whatever you want written down here. Maybe you can write your own logo on the stickers themselves. You want as much customization as possible because that's part of the price here. So let's go ahead. We have $15 and over here we have $43, right? So now we're going to be looking up FBA calculator on Google and clicking on the first result. And we're going to look up abs toner. Oh, didn't write it down. Abs toner or ab stimulator. It doesn't matter. We're going to get the same products. So I'll click on this because that looks like the product that we want to sell. And what's great about this, it already has the dimensions, it has the unit weight, it has everything there. You just have to double check it later, but it's going to be more or less this these fees. So the item price for us, we're going to be selling it at $43. Let's calculate it, and we said the cost of a product will be about $15. So if we're going to sell it through the FBA warehouse, then the net profit on each one will be $17, which is fantastic. Okay, the cost of the goods will be $16 if we're going to be fulfilling it, and if Amazon's going to be fulfilling it, which is what we're going to be doing. So only look at the dark blue line where it's going to cost us $25.68. Okay, so that's with the fees, that's the cost of it. $15 plus the fees. Now you have to take into the calculation the shipping fees. So I guess you can add about $3 and that'll be more than enough to compensate for the shipping fees. Now let's look at the net profit. So the net profit is $15, okay, more or less. Let's go back right over here and check how many items these sellers are selling per month. Average sales 482 average sales. So let's go ahead and do this. Calculator. 482 times, and then you go ahead and you times the net profit, which is 1432. 1432. The net profit will be $6.9 thousand per month. That's going to be your profit. Obviously, this is once you get your reviews and once your listing looks very good. But it's going to be pretty easy to get to $6,000 per month profit on this item specifically. So this is a great example of a product that you can be selling on Amazon. I don't recommend you sell this because once people start taking this course, then I'm sure that many sellers are going to try and sell this item. So it's best to stay away from it. And I believe that other people are looking at this product as well. Every week or so that I check out this item, I see 3-4 new sellers. So this is a great item to sell. But again, after this course, I recommend you don't go ahead and start selling it because many people are going to try and sell it. We're done with this chapter. I hope you understood all of the key points that I pointed out in how to figure out which product you're going to be selling. It is very simple with the Jungle Scout app. In the next chapter, we're going to be talking about what to do once you found that perfect product, either for your topic or just in general, you just found a great product to sell. And that's going to be finding a supplier. We're going to talk about how to negotiate with them, how to make sure that he's trustworthy, how to use trade assurance, which is an escrow. You're going to understand all these terminology in the next chapter. And I'm going to be explaining how to negotiate down the price so that it is fair both for you and for your supplier, because you don't want it to not be fair for him, or else he's just going to make the quality much more cheap. So I'm going to be explaining how the process of negotiating works with them and how to deal with the suppliers on Alibaba. I hope you enjoyed this chapter. If you found this helpful, please leave a review. This is my first course, so if you think that I missed out on something, go ahead and ask me a question. I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible, and I'll see you in the next chapter.